Where is Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam? Is he still alive? The mystery of Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam, a man who lives beyond time. Imagine a man who has walked the earth for centuries, possessing knowledge that no one else can access, appearing only to those who destined to meet him. The stories of Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam have intrigued scholars, mystics, and many ordinary people for generations. But who is he? And where is he now? And most importantly, is he still alive? Who is Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam? Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam is one of the most mysterious figures in Islamic history. He is often described as a righteous servant of Allah, possessing deep wisdom and knowledge of hidden matters. In Surah Al-Kahf, he is mentioned in the famous story of Prophet Musa alayhi salam, believed by many scholars to be Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. In this story, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam sought knowledge from Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam, but each action of him seemed strange and unjust to him until its wisdom was revealed later. This even proved that Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam possessed knowledge directly granted by Allah, knowledge beyond the understanding of even great prophets. Is Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam still alive? One of the greatest mysteries surrounding Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam is whether he is still alive. Many scholars believe that Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam was granted an extended life by Allah, allowing him to remain on earth for a purpose that is beyond human comprehension. There are numerous reports and stories from pious scholars and awliya Allah and ordinary people who claim to have met Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam in various places and times. Could it be possible that he still roams the world, appearing only to those chosen by Allah? The views of scholars. Islamic scholars hold different opinions about the life of Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Some believe he is still alive, fulfilling a divine mission, guiding lost souls and helping the pious people in times of need. Others believe he passed away long ago, but his wisdom and influence continue to exist through spiritual teachings. Hadith references suggest that only 4 individuals were granted extended life: Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam, Hazrat Ilyas alayhi salam, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and Hazrat Idris alayhi salam. However, since the Quran does not explicitly confirm his eternal life, the debate continues. Where is Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam now? Legends and historical accounts place Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam in different locations across the world. 1. The mysterious Green Island. Some mystics believe Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam resides on an unknown green island hidden from ordinary eyes where he continues to worship Allah. This island is believed to exist in an unknown part of the ocean, accessible only to those chosen by Allah. Second, the holy cities of Makkah and Medina. Many pious scholars claim that Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam visits Makkah and Medina frequently, attending the Hajj pilgrimage in disguise. Some pilgrims have reported encounters with a mysterious old man who gave them life-changing advice only to disappear moments later. Third, the cave of Surah Kahf. Another theory suggests that Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam lives near the cave mentioned in Surah Kahf, where the people of the cave, Ashab Kahf, slept for 300 years. Some say he guards this sacred place, revealing himself only to true seekers of divine knowledge. 4. The hidden realms. A more spiritual explanation suggests that Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam does not reside in our world as we know it. Instead, he exists in a hidden dimension beyond time and space, only appearing when Allah wills it. People who claim to have met Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Throughout history, many Islamic scholars and saints have claimed to encounter Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Here are a few well-known incidents. Imam Junaid Baghdadi radiallahu ta'ala anha reported meeting a mysterious man who gave him deep spiritual wisdom believed to be Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Hazrat Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani radiallahu ta'ala anha mentioned several encounters with a wise, unknown man who guided him during difficult times. Hazrat Imam Shafi'i radiallahu ta'ala anha was once visited by an old man who helped him solve a complex religious issue and then disappeared. Could these be real encounters or just mystical legends? How to meet Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Many people wish to meet Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam, believing that he can grant wisdom and divine knowledge. According to scholars, he appears to those who have pure hearts, deep faith, and seek knowledge for the sake of Allah. Reciting Surah Kahf every Friday is said to bring one closer to divine wisdom, as this surah contains the story of Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Avoiding sins, praying sincerely, and seeking knowledge increases the chances of divine guidance. However, meeting Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam is not in our control. It is a blessing given by Allah alone. The mystery of Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam continues to intrigue Muslims across the world. Whether he is still alive or not, his wisdom and teachings remain immortal. His story reminds us that true knowledge comes from Allah alone, and sometimes things that seem unfair have a deeper wisdom behind them. Someone watching this video might have their own encounter with Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam. Until then, his presence remains a mystery, a silent traveler in the world, guiding lost souls in ways only Allah knows. What do you think? Is Hazrat Khizr alayhi salam still alive? Have you ever heard any real life encounters? Let us know in the comments.